Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can join in every arcade games and trivia challenges. So now I am in the official website of Arcade. Here you can see this Arcade Base Camp game, Arcade Level 3 game, Arcade Level 1 game, Arcade Level 2 game, and here are the trivia challenges. So it is open just today. And these trivia challenges will be launched in the specific weeks. Note that try to join these games as soon as possible as the spots will be closed very soon. Most important thing is that this Arcade Level 3, Level 1, and Level 2 games will be counted in your milestone progress, and all these trivia challenges also, but these Arcade Base Camp game will not be counted in your milestone progress. Okay, but you can do this to grab more arcade points. The access code is case sensitive. Okay, so copy the access code very carefully. And it is here shown that you will be awarded to 1 arcade point after completing this game. So, you have copied this arcade access code. Then click on the Start button, and here is the game interface. So to join this game, you have to enter this access code, paste the access code you've just copied, and click on Join. And here you can see that you have joined this Level 3 arcade game. So here is some Arcade Level 3 game labs. You can perform this labs. We'll guide you soon. But in the top of this game, you can see the game timeline. That it's launched today at 6 p.m., and it will be live till August 31st at 11:59 p.m., and here is the spot status. So if this spots will be 0, then no one can join this game. So join this game as soon as possible. In this way, you can join in every arcade game and trivia challenges. We'll be updating you in our next video that how to complete this games and trivia challenges. And for now, you can just stay tuned with us and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for any help or any ideas, you can join our WhatsApp group. Link will be provided in the description below. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.